In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can place pending orders on MT5 mobile, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop orders in just few easy steps. Simply open your MT5 app and then tap on chart icon. Now tap on clock icon. Here you will see options like sell limit and buy limit. Simply tap on buy limit. This option is used if you want to buy. If you want to sell, simply swipe up and tap on arrow icon. Then change the order type. If the market is going up and you want to buy after the price breaks a level, simply tap on sell limit and it will change to buy stop. When the market touches this level, your trade will be placed automatically. You can also add your stop loss and take profit. This is my limit order, so I will tap on the arrow icon and place it. Now, the second method is if the market breaks this level and you want to sell, not buy, simply tap on order type again and it will change to sell stop. Here, it was buy limit and now it will change to sell stop. So, if the market goes down and touches this level, your trade will enter automatically. You can also set your SL and TP and then tap on the arrow icon to place the trade. So, if you don't want to place SL or TP, don't worry. Simply tap on the arrow icon and your trade will still be placed. So, that's how you can place pending orders to MT5 mobile. Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop orders.